The C-R-U-D-D-Y, the C-L-I-C-K's texture, pure terror, a street professor, aggressor, scale and measure, clever compressor, stretch your salary stacks, be running blocks as a factory structure, capture the raw product I manufacture, fracture, critic chatter, nigga catcher as I blast a cop matter, capsule shatter, scatter, midnight disasters, clips I rather gather to flip for what I'm after, now and forever, money makes things better at a regular, gets me jewelry, bitches, bank cars, and competitors, propose threats, wreck necks and puff your puzzle, see trouble muzzles when I hang and hustle. Put a buck, boom, bam, big bow, booyah, let attack, clack, click out the cloud, put brains with muscle. Here a crew of guys utilize they skills, bang out, hang out, slang out, work and hustle. Flip techniques over boogie banging beats and street fleet, Wimo and taking freaks in 20 separate suites. I'm serving dope lyrics holding weight, just like Chris Webber, a warrior from Golden State. And I conjure up raps, I bet you don't know any. They be hitting like that brick that smack original didn't. Collect cash and checks on a jet to meet the next client as I arrive at LAX.
I'm up early, so I catch my flim, spit, stack, then stash the stem. Tickets and tissue bottles are sectioned in. With a click thick, with a block stop with protection. See X again, tools to fry and unify like Mexicans. But the shit is slow and coming to fiend, that's one thing. That's when you see 20 niggas running to 1 feet. Yo, black tops, I got that yellow hot for hours. Buy from me now and next time I swear I'll sell you flour. I got dreams again, a 9-8 or a caddy, living fatty. Plus I got a little man calling me daddy. My lady and little man, they need me and I need them. I gotta see them and please them, but first of all clothe and feed them, so we can see freedom. Even if I jeopardize my time and life while I'm in this game, I'm making sure that mine is right. From the beginning to the end, it's dividend to the end. So I like to hang out and hustle with my friends.
Well, it's Friday night and the weekend's here. All that party and shit must take a seat to the rear. Instead of fucking with those phony ghetto chicks, I'd rather be moving my clips with my homies on the bricks. My fingers stay hard, my hands stay full of ash. My fingernails stay dirty, that's from burying my stash. Fiends are bumming, money's coming to say the least. But I'm out there flipping cooks, feet in the belly of the beast. It's first with them up, money's coming all day, all night. And too many going for theirs, I'm cutting sales off with my bike. Now with my niggas in session, we freestyle rhyme, reminiscing, moving that shit 20s eclipse at a time.
What the fuck are you gonna do except hustle?